Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to add music to Instagram notes. So Instagram recently launched a new feature where you can add music on Instagram note, but for that you must have your Instagram updated, and in order to update your Instagram app you'll have to go on App Store if you are an iOS user and on Play Store if you are an Android user. So I'm directly gonna go and tap on my App Store. So once you reach your App Store, you'll have to go and tap on search icon that is at the bottom right. Here you can see search written at the top of your screen. Just below that you can see games, app, stories. You'll have to go and tap there. So here you'll have to go and tap Instagram. So once you type Instagram, here you can see if your application is not updated, it will show the option of update, but mine is already an updated version, so there is written open just at the side. So I'm directly gonna go and tap on open, and once you tap on open it will take you directly to the Instagram page. So now here you'll have to go and tap on the message icon that is at the top right. Now here you can see with your profile picture there's written your note, and there's a plus like icon just in your profile picture. You'll have to go and tap on the plus icon. So here it says share a thought, so you can share anything within 60 alphabets. So I'm randomly gonna go and type hi. So just below that you can see a music icon. You'll have to go and tap on the music icon in order to add music. So here at the top you can see search music option. You'll have to go and tap there and type any music of your preference that you want to add on your notes. So I'm randomly picking a music here. So once you tap on the music, you can even drag to adjust the music. And once you reach the point where you're satisfied with your music, you'll have to go and tap at the done option that is written at the right. You'll have to go and tap on share at the top right. So it says note shared, so you can tap on your note to listen to the music. So that is how you add music on your Instagram note. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.